Alright, so you can see what happens is I turn it on and both the on and the ready lights are on. So the tank itself currently says that the water is 75.2 degrees room temperature currently. So to start brewing, and I've got it there, and it raises a bit. You see, it went to 75, but now it's just kind of sticking around there, and even though it's kind of brewing at this point, half a cup, you can see that the light is still on, despite the fact that really, if it was heating, it should have turned off by now.